Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Now, guys, follow me as I show you how I prepare this one pot meal. Let me tell you something, guys. This was just amazing. Now, I saw it on Callie at Callie J's Kitchen. So you need to go and check her out. She's on her way to 10,000 subscribers. You need to check her out if you have not yet connected with her. No, I saw it and I was like, you know something, I go try this because first of all, I love curry. My son loves curry. My husband really love it all of that, but trust me, when curry cooking at this house, when I have no issues, guys, look at the finish. I'm going to take you on the journey. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Anybody can do it. Let's jump into the video. So what we have here is chicken breast. Really, we wanted to just use chicken breast, and but because I don't have enough, I have a chicken leg, so I'm gonna dice these up and then season it. Alright, so we dice them up. We don't want them to be too, or can make them in strips, so depending on what you want. So we have the bone left, so kind of debone it. Alright, we're gonna throw those away. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash and season. So this is our seasoning. We have scallion and garlic and onion. Oh, I just realized I left out the onion a little time. And we're going to mix this together. And then we're going to add just a little bit of this chicken seasoning. Of course, my better pack. I love my better pack. And we also have some pimento grains. There they are. Not a lot because it's not a whole lot we're cooking. Alright, so we're going to leave this for a little. So it's actually finished seasoning and ready to go into our pot. Here we have again some garlic, a little scallion, you know, kind of let it and a little curry because we want the rice to have the curry color. Alright, so we're just leaving this for 2 more seconds and then we're going to put our chicken in to cook. So our chicken is in, kind of mixing it around just a little bit. And then we are going to cover it and allow it to spring its own water until it's cooked. Alright, so let's see what's happening here now. Voila! This looking good. So we're going to add a little water to it. Because it's chicken breast, most of it. So we have our hot water. Remember, you don't want to pour cold water on this. I'm going to put a lot. Right, like this. We're going to cover it again. It's almost done. So the chicken is basically ready. We're going to add some coconut milk. You could just add plain water if you wish, but I decided to use some coconut milk. Alright? And that we're going to add our butter, scallion and thyme. You can also add your salt as well. I did add some salt to the coconut milk before putting it in. Remember, it's basically a 1-pot meal that we're doing. We're gonna allow this to cook a bit, right? Because we want the coconut milk to be cooked, right? And then we're going to add our rice very soon. There, we're gonna add our rice at this time. So once you have added all your rice, you want to mix everything together nicely, as you see me doing there. So it's curry chicken and rice, 1-pot meal. You should taste and you add salt as needed. Alright, I didn't have to add a lot of salt, but I added some salt and I did that off camera. So you add salt as needed. You don't have to, as I said, you don't have to use coconut milk. You could just use the regular water. Alright, we're gonna allow this to cook. Alright, let's see what it's looking like. Voila, listen me. So we're gonna cover, almost done. Look at it, guys, almost done. Yep. So let's see what the finished product is looking like. Voila! Kosherly rice, mercy, mercy, guys. Look at this. Look at this. You see that? Chicken. So if you don't have a lot, if you just have a chicken breast, you can do this. Everybody will get a touch of chicken. Watch there. No, sir. I can't wait to go down in this. Yeah, man. So this is our one pot meat. Oh, Lord, 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 Lord. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right. So we see we can plate it out now. Look them guys. Could there. Yep. This is going to be mine. Jesus. I really want to hold it still, you know. Voila. See? Every dip. Chicken. And you notice I didn't have a lot of chicken. See? Oh, Lord of mercy. There we go. We're going to set him up nice. My, this is the finished product, guys, of our one pot meal. Curried chicken and rice. Look at it. Now, thanks to Callie, I Callie J's Kitchen, because this is where I saw this and I said, this look quite easy. I'm going to try it. I think the outcome is perfect. Loving it. Look, pan shelly rice now. Look, pan shelly rice.